Dear students, I am Devobroto Devnath. I am going to start the class on quadratic equations part 3. Already we discussed the part 1 and part 2 of quadratic equation in our previous videos. In previous videos we discussed the form of quadratic equations, whether equation quadratic equations or not. Again we discussed the method of finding of roots by the process of factorization of an quadratic equations. Now in this class we will discuss the finding out of the roots of a quadratic equation by completing the square of the quadratic equation. And secondly, we want to find out the roots of the equation by the method of a general rule. And thirdly, we shall discuss the Sridhar method for finding of the roots of quadratic equation, and we shall discuss some problem in this regard. Let us start our class. Every quadratic equations can be expressed in a square form. Let us take an example like 9x square minus 15x plus 6 is equal to 0. We have to find the root of the quadratic equation by the method of completing the square. Let us start. This implies, you see, 9x square is a whole square form. This is in a perfect square form, that is 9x square means 3x whole square. Again we write 15x is equal to 2 into 3x into 1 into 15 by 2, such that when we multiply 2 into 3x into 5 by 2, when we multiply with 3x we get it is 6x. Again when we multiply with 5 we get 6 into 5, that is 13x, and when we divide it by 2 we get 15x, that is we get the 15x can be taken in this form, 2 into 3x into 5 by 2. Again 5 by 2, again we write 5 by 2 whole square. We add 5 by 2 whole square and we subtract 5 by 2 whole square, and 6 is as usual equal to 0. This term can be taken as in this form. Notice it, 9x whole square is equal to 3x whole 9x square equal to 3x whole square. Again 15x can be taken as 2 into 3x into 5 by 2, and we add 5 by 2 whole square and we subtract minus 5 by 2 whole square. Again 6 is as usual in his form equal to 0. Why we write the expression in this form? It is very interesting that when we write, it becomes a formula of a plus b whole square. We know that the formula of a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. You notice it. A means 3x whole square minus 2 into a means 3x into b means 5 by 2 plus b by 2 whole square minus 5 by 2 whole square plus 6 equal to 0. This implies 3x minus 5 by 2 whole square. Okay. This is a formula of a plus b whole square. Now we calculate it as 5 whole square means 25 by 4 plus 6 is equal to 0. This implies 3x minus 5 by 2 whole square is equal to 25 by 4 minus 6. Okay. We transform the term to right hand side and we get 3x minus 5 by 2 whole square is equal to LCM is 4. We get 24. 5 minus 4 into 6 means 24. This implies 3x minus 5 by 2 whole square is equal to 1 by 4. This implies 3x minus 5 by 2 whole square is equal to plus minus 1 by 2 whole square. Okay. We remove the square term. 3x minus 5 by 2 equal to plus minus 1 by 2. This implies 3x minus 5 by 2 equal to half or 3x minus 5 by 2 equal to minus half. That is 3x is equal to 5 by 2 plus half or 3x equal to 5 by 2 minus half. Okay, is it clear? Now we write this implies 3x equal to 5 plus 1 by 2 or 3x equal to 2 is LCM 5 minus 1. This implies 3x equal to 3 or 3x equal to 5 minus 1 4 by 2. This implies x equal to 3 by 3 or x equal to 3x equal to 2. This implies x equal to 1 or x equal to 2 by 3. So the roots of this equation will be the roots of this equation will be 1 comma 2 by 3. So thus we see that any quadratic equation can be expressed in a square form, and by using this square form we can solve a quadratic equation. Okay, is it clear? Now we go another problem. Solve the following equation. Solve the equation 5x square minus 6x minus 2 is equal to 0. We write answer. The given quadratic equation is 5x square minus 6x minus 2 is equal to 0. We write it as, we divide both sides by 5, we get x square minus 6 by 5 into x minus 2 by 5 equal to 0. We have to make a perfect square term in this expression. You notice x square minus 2 into x into 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5 is equal to 0. Okay, we multiply, we write 6 as 2 into 3 and 5, so we get 6x by 5. Now we make it x square minus 2 into x into 3 by 5. We add 3 by 5 whole square and subtract 3 by 5 whole square, and again we get the form. This implies x minus 3 by 5 whole square equal to 3 by 5 whole square plus 2 by 5. We transfer the term minus 3 by 5 whole square to RHS, that is right hand side, and the term minus 2 by 5 to right hand side, and it becomes the positive terms. This implies x minus 3 by 5 whole square equal to 9 by 25 plus 2 by 5. We get x minus 3 by 5 whole square equal to, LCM is 25, we get 9 plus 5 by 25 by 5 minus 5, 5 into 2 means 10 equal to 19 by 25. Sorry, this implies x minus 3 by 5 whole square equal to 19 by 25. So now we write it as, this implies x minus 3 by 5 equal to plus minus root over 19 by 5. We take square root from both sides, square root from both sides. This implies x equal to 3 by 5 plus minus root over 19 by 5. This implies x equal to 5 LCM 3 plus minus root over 19. Thus the roots of the given equation is 3 plus minus root over 19 by 5. Okay, is it clear? Dear students, so we see that the roots of this equation is a irrational number. Okay, now we go to another problem to solve the equation of the quadratic equation. Solve the equation 4x square plus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. Answer: the given equation is 4x square plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. This implies 4x square is a whole square term, that is, it is a perfect square. We write 4x square as 2x whole square plus we have to find a form of a plus b whole square, that is whole square form. That is, we have to find a form which is a square plus 2ab plus b square form. It is our intention. So our intention is to find a plus b whole square form, that is square plus 2ab plus b square. So we make the expression in the form of square plus 2. A means 2x into b. We take it as 3 by 4. If we take 4 here, 4 into 4 means 2 into 2 means 4, and 4 from numerator and 4 from denominator is cancelled. Yes, we get only 3x. Now and 3 4 by 4 whole, now we take now we add 3 by 4 whole square and subtract minus 3 by 4 whole square plus 5 equal to 0. This implies 2x plus 3 by 4 whole square minus is equal to, we transfer 3 by 4 whole square minus 3 by 4 whole square to right hand side, we get 3 by 4 whole square minus 5. Since it is plus 5 and it becomes minus 5 in the right hand side. This implies 2x plus 3 by 4 whole square is equal to 9 by 16 minus 5. This implies 2x plus 3 by 4 whole square equal to 16 is LCM in denominator, we get 9 minus 5 into 16 means 80. This implies 2x plus 3 by 4 whole square equal to minus 71 by 16. This is a perfect square term. We know that no perfect square term can be a negative. It is always positive or equal to 0. Since 2x plus 3 by 4 whole square is always positive or 0, hence it will not be negative. It will not be negative. তাহলে Now we can say that 2x plus 3 by 4 whole square equal to minus 71 by 16 is not acceptable or impossible in the field of real number, in the case of real number. Thus there is no any real number for which 2x plus 3 by 4 whole square becomes a negative terms. Negative terms. It is a negative terms. Okay. So now we can say that there is no any real number for which the expression is satisfies. That is, we cannot find any real number for which the whole equation is satisfied. So there is no real root of this equation. So we can say the given, we can say there is no real root of the given equation. Okay. So the students, when you make the expression in a square term, if you get the value of square term is negative, then you straightly say that there is no real number, there is no real root which satisfies the given equation. Thus there is no any real root of the given equation. Okay. Now we go to the second point, the general rule for solving the quadratic equation. Okay. We know that standard form of quadratic equation is x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, a not equal to 0. This is a standard form of quadratic equation. Now we make the expression x square plus bx plus c to a square form such that we can find a root of the given equation. Okay. Now we divide both sides by a. Since a not equal to 0, we can easily divide by a on both sides. We get x square plus x into b by a plus c by a is equal to 0. This implies x square plus 2 into x into b by 2a plus c equal by a equal to 0. Our target is to make a square form, that is we have to make a square plus 2ab plus b square form, or a square minus 2ab plus b square form. This implies x square plus 2 into x into b by 2a plus b by 2a whole square. We add b by 2a whole square, again we subtract b by 2a whole square, resultant is 0, no problem, you write it as plus c by a equal to 0. We write this expression as a perfect square, that is a whole square form, whole square of x plus b by 2a whole square. We transfer the term to right hand side, we get b by 2a whole square minus c by a. This implies x plus b by 2a whole square is equal to b square by 4 square minus c by a. This implies x plus b by 2a whole square is equal to 4 square b square minus 4ac. It is very easy. It is very simple calculation. You see, x plus b by 2 whole square is a perfect square. So b square minus 4ac must be positive or equal to 0. If b square minus 4ac less than 0, that is the negative, then it will be not satisfied. Okay. If b square minus 4ac greater or equal to 0, x plus b by 2a whole square is exist. Otherwise x plus b by 2 whole square will not be exist for any real value. Okay. So now we can write, we can write x plus b by 2a whole square equal to plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. We take square root from both sides. If b square minus 4ac less than 0, then there shall not be any square root of b square minus 4ac in the space of real number, in the set of real number. Okay. Thus we can write x plus b by 2 equal to it is. Now this implies x equal to minus b by 2a plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay. Now we write minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Thus the root of this equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the general rule. Okay. So the root, when b square minus 4ac greater or equal to 0, the root of the equation is minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Clear? Is it clear? So thus the root of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a, provided b square minus 4ac greater or equal to 0. This is the general rule for solving the quadratic equation. This is the general rule for solving the quadratic equation, and the roots of this quadratic equation is minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Clear? Now this formula can be obtained in another way. Let us see. This implies we multiply both sides by 4a, we get 4x square x square 4abx. We multiply both sides by 4a, but with 4a, we get the formula. We get the form. We write it as 2ax whole square. Again 2 into 2ax into b plus 4ac is equal to 0. You see 2a 4a square x square is the perfect square term, that is we write 2ax whole square. Again 4abx can be taken as 2 into 2ax into b, that is 4abx already we find, and 4ac. We write it in the a plus b whole square form as 2ax into b plus b square. We add b square and subtract b square. The balance resultant is 0, that is balance is 0. Okay, plus 4 is equal to 0. This implies 2ax plus b whole square is equal to, we transfer minus b square towards right hand side, we get b square, and we transfer plus 4ac, we get minus 4ac. Okay, if again you notice that it is a square term, so this term will not be negative, this must be positive. Okay, if b square minus 4ac b square minus 4ac greater or equal to 0, we get 2ax plus b equal to plus minus root over b square minus 4ac. We take square root from both sides. If b square minus 4ac less than 0, then we cannot find out the square root of this term b square minus 4ac, and we take the square root and we get the term. Now 2ax equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac. This implies x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. We obtained as before the root of this equation, minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Sorry, this is called quadratic formula. The roots of this equation x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and x equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this is called quadratic formula. It is very interesting that we are proud for you that the Indian mathematician Sridhar Acharya had made this formula, and this rule is known as the Sridhar Acharya's rule. When you have to ask a problem to solve a problem by problem of the quadratic equation, you directly use this formula, that is we called Sridhar Acharya's formula. This is a quadratic formula, and it is named as Sridhar Acharya's formula. We may use directly when to find out the root of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, now we take some example. And we find out roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, let solve 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. answer. The given equation is 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. We compare it with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a not equal to 0. We get a equal to 3, b equal to minus 5, c equal to 2. Here coefficient of x square is 3, that is coefficient of x square equal to 3. Coefficient of x is minus 5, that is coefficient of x b equal to minus 5. Coefficient of c in coefficient constant, that is c equal to plus 2 or 2. So the root of the given equation will be, the root of the given equation will be by quadratic formula, x equal to minus b, we write the formula at first, minus b plus minus root of r b square minus 4ac by 2a. This implies minus b means minus 5 plus minus b square minus 5 whole square, d square minus 4, a means 3 into 2 by 2 into 3, that is this equal to minus 5 plus 5 plus minus root over 25 minus 4 into 3 into 2, that is 12 into 2, 24 by 26. We write here x equal to 5 plus minus root over 49 by 6 equal to 5 plus minus 7 by 6, that is 4 into 3 24, 25 minus 24 equal to 1, 5 plus minus root over 1, that is 5, here the sign is minus, it is an unintentional mistake, here is minus, so it is a minus. Okay, now there is mistake, big one. Okay, that is 5 plus minus 1 by 6 equal to 5 plus 1 by 6 comma 5 minus 1 by 6 equal to 6 by 6 equal to 4 by 6 equal to 1 comma 2 by 3. The roots are 1 comma 2 by 3. So we using this formula we can find the solution of this equation directly. Okay, now we take another example and we find the root of the equation. Let us take another example. Solve x square plus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, solution, answer. The given equation is x square plus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. We compare it with x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a not equal to 0. We get a equal to 1, b equal to 4 and c equal to 4. At first we find b square minus 4ac, because b square minus 4ac is a vital term. If b square minus 4ac less than 0, then the given equation will have not any real root of the equation. Will have not any real roots. If b square minus 4ac greater or equal to 0, then the equation will have roots. Okay, b square minus 4ac, 4 square minus 4 into 4 equal to 16 minus 16 equal to 0. Since b square minus 4ac equal to 0, that is not negative, hence the given equation will have roots. Now using quadratic formula, we get x equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, we put the value of b square minus 4ac. So minus b means minus 4. Value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, root over 0 by 2 into a means 1 equal to minus 4 plus minus 0 by 2 equal to minus 2. Okay, so the given equation will have real roots. The value of real roots is minus 2, 2. Since this is a quadratic equation, it will have two numbers of real roots. The given the roots of the given equation is minus 2, minus 2. You see it, since it is a quadratic equation, hence it will have exactly two real roots, and the value of the real roots is minus 2, minus 2. So you should write in this form. Okay, clear. Now we take another example. X square plus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. The given equation is x square plus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. This implies we comparing both sides. Comparing it with x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, a not equal to 0. We get a equal to 1, b equal to 4, c equal to 5. Now you solve. Now we calculate b square minus 4ac. When we want to use the quadratic formula, you should calculate the b square minus 4ac term. If b square minus 4ac term give negative, then the given equation will have not any real roots. If b square minus 4ac term will have greater or equal to 0 value, so the given equation will have the real roots. We calculate it as b square means 4 square minus 4 into 1 into 5, 16 minus 20 equal to minus 4 less than 0. Since the value of b square minus 4ac is minus 4, that is less than 0, then the given equation will have no real roots. So you should not calculate further the given equation will have no real roots. Clear? Now it is very simple and easy. Now we solve some problem from the book of NCERT of 10th standard, okay, or other books. Find the roots of the equation. Solve 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0 by completing the square, by completing the square. We get 2x square minus, we divide